Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 R Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Lantau Bronze. Starting our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we'll find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. As we cascade down the side, we'll see further features, all are courtesy of the R Dynamic exterior pack, as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. To the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Upon opening, the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, whether it be for a set of golf clubs or even a canine companion. Looking to your left, you'll also see easy to access controls for your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, ensuring comfort and quality on any length of journey, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveal your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Let's take a closer look now at the view that greets the driver, where you'll see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed, sat nav and your trip computer. Advancing over now to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll also be able to deploy and stow your electrically deployable tow bar from within your entertainment screen and without having to exit your vehicle. Looking down, you'll also be able to access further climate control functions, heated seat functions from within this lower entertainment screen, which again is fully interactive, and both driver and passenger can tailor to these to their own individual preferences. You'll also be able to access further terrain response systems from within this lower entertainment screen. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase our dealership.